There is a purpose to go to rehab. So you got to do your part. There are no free rides in rehab. And they'll do a couple different kinds of things in rehab. They'll do physical therapy, occupational therapy, and if necessary, they'll do speech therapy. So, just again to ground us in what these therapies are, physical therapy is all about strength and conditioning. It is getting the core rebuilt and helping with coordination, flexibility, and ultimately balance. So, it's all those things that keep our parents on their feet. Occupational therapy is more activities of daily living. So these are those things that keep our parents independent and safe at home. So things like being able to get up and down from a chair, get in and out of bed, get in and out of the shower, dressing themselves, tying shoes, preparing meals. All of those things are occupational therapy. And in rehab, just as in home health care, these two will work in tandem to get your parents strong again. And then the third kind of therapy you'll see at rehab is speech therapy. So all those things that work in the throat and the mouth are a part of speech therapy. Another really important thing to consider with a rehab hospital is you've got to be showing improvement. There are no free rides. So they'll set you up with goals at the outset, and they will constantly be reviewing your progress against those goals. If you get into a rehab hospital and you sort of maintain a level, they're not going to let you stay. Medicare is not going to pay for it. They have to constantly prove your worth to be there for you to be able to stay. So unless you're getting stronger and faster and better, they're going to send you home. So the key is to get in and be very serious about it. And frankly, you're going to want to get out anyway, because again, it feels very much like a hospital. But you want to get stronger so you can get out and get discharged because you're improving. Not get discharged because you're not improving and they're not wanting to continue to invest in you.